Hello, and welcome to Eastway Toyota, Lexus of Windsor. My name is Mark St. Dennis, I'm the service manager, and today we're going to be talking about our multi-point inspection service. What is a multi-point inspection? Regular maintenance is essential to obtaining your vehicle's highest performance, safety, and reliability. In addition to your scheduled maintenance, your vehicle requires ongoing general maintenance such as fluid checks and a visual inspection. Our Toyota and Lexus certified factory-trained technicians will perform a visual inspection and thorough tests of your vehicle's critical systems. A Toyota or Lexus technician will go through a detailed checklist to ensure that your vehicle functions properly. Your service advisor will provide you with the multi-point inspection form indicating the condition of each component inspected. A checkmark in green, yellow, or red box indicates each item's condition. The green box signifies that the item has been checked and is functioning correctly. Yellow is a warning that the component shows wear and may need attention soon. And the red box indicates the component needs immediate attention. Here is what's included when you request a multi-point vehicle inspection. Tires and brakes. All tires are to be checked for correct pressure, tread depth, and damage to ensure a smooth and safe ride. Your vehicle's front and rear brake pads, rotors, hoses, and calipers are inspected for wear. Interior and exterior, your vehicle's wiper blades, exterior lights, signals, horns, emergency brake, and cabin air filters are all inspected. Under the vehicle, our technicians will check your vehicle's shock absorbers and suspension, steering components, exhaust systems, drive shafts, and fuel lines. Technicians will look for transmission, differential, transfer case, and engine leaks. Under the hood, a thorough inspection of your vehicle's vital engine components, including fluid levels, engine air filter, drive belts, water and air conditioning hoses, and a battery test will be performed. Schedule a service appointment with us if you think your vehicle might benefit from a complimentary multi-point inspection. To learn more about the multi-point inspection service, be sure to schedule an appointment here at Eastway Toyota, Lexus of Windsor. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.